The BMW M5 Competition, 617 bhp from standard and 750 Newton meters of torque. But this M5 will be leaving with a lot more power than that, thanks to a Stage 2 tune. Okay, for Stage 2 on the M5 Comp, you need a few bits of hardware, one of which is the MTC Dowpipes, and they sound absolutely incredible. They have been installed on this M5 competition. Take a listen. And the next is simply just some panel filters. We've installed Pipercross filters to this. So now it's time to get it on the dyno. This M5 Comp is literally no joke. 617 bhp is the stock figures what this car ran, and after Stage 2 tuning, 767 bhp. That is a huge increase, not only in bhp though. On the Stage 2 tune, it actually ran 916 Newton meters of torque. And there you have it, one insanely quick BMW M5 competition, leaving with near enough 1,000 Newton meters of torque, which is insanely quick. Now it's probably worth a mention whilst we're here about the alloys. So these are 20-inch AC Schnitzer alloys. These have been painted on the inside red. They're a real head turner, completely transformed the car. And again, it's worth a mention because it's something that we have supplied and fitted as well. So a really nice way to start the year on this BMW M5. Remember, for all your wrapping, mapping or any upgrade parts, click the link in the description box below. All of us guys will be happy to help you. See you in the next video.